The ultimate extension of the Jeep brand with the rebirth of a classic American icon. This morning, Jeep introduced the all-new and very highly anticipated 2022 Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, and I couldn't be any more excited. The Grand Wagoneer has always been one of my favorite Jeeps, and I am so glad that after almost 30 years, this iconic nameplate has returned. And while we had the 3-row Commander for a while, maybe a little too long, the third row in that Jeep was hardly considered useful. With its tiny third row legroom and even smaller luggage capacity with that said third row in the up position. And the Chinese market has the Grand Commander, which is basically a stretched Grand Cherokee with third row seats, but I'm betting a lot of you have never heard of that. And with the success of the premium 3-row luxury SUV offerings from Land Rover, Range Rover, Cadillac, and Lincoln, Jeep had no choice but to enter, and enter they did. Introducing the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, it will be built next year in Detroit and will offer amazing amounts of technology, comfort, features, and design elements. On the exterior of this concept vehicle, we see the classic 7-slot grille that is slightly inverted that harkens back to the original, with LED lighting between the slots. Across the brow and the name badges across the hood are also illuminated. Headlamps are low-profile, fully LED units, as are the lower fog lamps. At the rear, the Grand Wagoneer features full LED lighting again, and with bold styling, and again, an illuminated Grand Wagoneer badge. Overall, styling outside is very large and upright, which harkens back to the original slab-sided SUV, and while the concept shows body color A, B, and C pillars, I hope they offer blacked out versions as well, as the full color makes it appear somewhat clunky in its profile. Also, no, sadly, there will not be any option from the factory for wood grain panels of any kind. Jeep designers stated that instead of having the wood grain on the outside, they would focus on the wood grain on the inside. Speaking of inside, it is loaded with technology. The interior looks nothing like current Jeep models, and that is a good thing. The interior features environmentally conscious and friendly materials such as recyclable microfiber suede, Thrive fiber carpeting, and sustainable polyurethane materials. We do know that the vehicles have a total of 7 screens with almost 45 inches of screens up front. Here they are: a 12.3-inch driver information display, a 12.1-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen display, a 10.25-inch lower comfort zone screen, and a 10.25-inch front passenger entertainment screen. In the rear, we have 2 10.1-inch rear passenger entertainment screens and their own 10.1 rear passenger comfort zone screens. Now, I'm not sure if all 7 will be available on all trims, as trim levels have yet to be announced. The interior looks like an amazing place to be, with 3 full rows of useful seating, premium heat-treated lace wood trim and brushed aluminum accents, as well as recyclable glass. On top of that, audiophiles rejoice as Jeep has partnered with the premium audio experts from Macintosh for its premium 23-speaker custom sound system. And regarding this new Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer, here is what we do know. There will be 2 models available, possibly the Wagoneer and a upscale or extended wheelbase Grand Wagoneer. There will be 3 4x4 systems available, but which ones exactly are unknown at this time. It will have the Quadralift air suspension, possibly as an option. It will feature independent front and rear suspension systems, have unmatched towing capacity. The exact number is not known at this time, but what we do not know is anything regarding pricing, performance, and powertrains. We know that this will have the availability of the 4xe plug-in hybrid electric powertrain option, but engine and transmission details, as well as power outputs, are yet to be announced. Most importantly, we do not know pricing. Will the Grand Wagoneer be a hit? We absolutely think so. Alrighty, if you like this video and would like to see more like that, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and of course check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram page at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.